how to change templates in Wix. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. Now let's talk about switching or changing templates. Now unfortunately, you can't easily just change a template of your current website. So let's say over here we have our website and we want to change a template. It's not very easy or it's not as simple as it sounds. That feature does not exist in Wix unfortunately. But there are some alternatives that you could still do. You're able to transfer or copy elements from pages and transfer it to a different templated design. So you could go to Wix over here and create a new site and select a specific template that you want. And on your old website, for example, we have our element over here. What you're going to do is you're going to right click on it and you're going to click on Save to My Design. As you can see here, give it a name and click on Save and it should appear over here on your My Design. So assuming this is our new Wix over here, it should also appear now on your My Design area over here. So if I refresh this, it should appear in that list. Now, aside from different elements, you're also able to transfer your plan and domain, which you could easily do by clicking on your three dots on your domain list over here and assign to a different website or different site. As of now, those are the different things that you could easily transfer. Unfortunately, you cannot easily change our template, but through the method that I'm talking about, you should be able to at least be able to transfer partially different parts of your old website to the new template that you have selected. So let's simply show you guys here what it would look like on a different website. As you can see here on our different website over here, I am now able to see the design that we have saved from the other website over here. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.